Too bad I didn't get that.
This is one of those things he does over and over and over again. Bobby, can you throw me a lighter?
This is the amazing face. It's on video.
On camera.
Yeah, it is on camera. She almost had
Just taking a beat.
I almost had that bail on video. It should be on the other side though.
Do it off the lift. No. There's not enough force. I ain't doing the powder. Yeah, I'm gonna land in powder. No, but I need the powder to flip me, to trip me.
Are you going down the same trail?
Yeah.
Don't hit the big pole thing of...
Man, can you stand at the pole so I don't hurt myself?
Yes, after Bobby throws me a lighter. I missed this something that I needed when you guys used
Megan, watch out!
roof and stuff.
Megan,
I'm just gonna miss it.
watch out.
I know.
You're in the way, he's gonna smoke you.
I'm waiting for a light.
Walk up there then.
I'm gonna walk back down there in front of the pool.
Oh yeah.
Drop from the snow, it won't light. Goggles on. Oh yeah. I need Megan to stand on there for later. I was just thrashing this.
I seen that. It's 'cause you did like a front flip, didn't you?
Huh?
You did the front flip, didn't you?
Did half of it. I didn't flip it enough.
You guys and your cigarettes.
Not my fault. Go down there quickly. Don't ruin the powder.
Run, run, run. Okay. Take 2.
Hold on. Ready, Megan?
Oh, did you land it? Yep.